While home buyers are as individual as the homes they plan on purchasing, one thing they share is a desire to ensure that the home they will call their own is as good beneath the surface as it appears to be. Will the roof end up leaking? Is the wiring safe? What about the plumbing? These and others are the questions that the buyers looking at your home will seek professional help to answer. According to industry experts, there are at least 33 physical problems that will come under scrutiny during a home inspection. Hi, my name is Priscilla. I'm your real estate broker in GTA. In this video, I'm going to go through the 11 most common problems you will encounter during a home inspection. If not identified and dealt with, any of these 11 items could cost you dearly in terms of repair. In most cases, you can make a reasonable pre-inspection yourself if you know what you're looking for. And knowing what you're looking for can help you prevent little problems from growing into costly and unmanageable ones. When you put your home on the market, you don't want any unpleasant surprises that could cost you the sale of your home. By having an understanding of these 11 problem areas as you walk through your home, you'll be arming yourself against future disappointment. Damp or wet basement. The inspector will check your walls for a powdery white mineral deposit a few inches above the floor and will look to see if you feel secure enough to store things right on your basement floor. A mildew odor is almost impossible to eliminate, and the inspector will certainly be conscious of it. It costs you $200 to $1,000 to seal a crack in or around your basement foundation, depending on severity and location. Adding a sump pump and pit could run you around $750 to $1,000. And complete waterproofing of the average 3-bedroom home could amount to $5,000 to $15,000. You will have to weigh these figures into the calculation of what price you want to net on your home. Roofing problems. Water leakage through the roof can occur for a variety of reasons, such as physical deterioration of the asphalt shingles or mechanical damage from a windstorm. When gutters leak and the downspout allow water to run down and through the exterior walls, this external problem can become a major internal one. Structural foundation problems. The inspector will certainly investigate the underlying footing and foundation of your home, as structural integrity is fundamental to your home. In this video, I shared with you 3 common problems you will meet during a home inspection. But there are 8 more. Click the link below or call me to order the full report. Avoid critical home inspection traps and get prepared for selling your home